Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you an awesome way to make money online from Google step by step. Thus, kick back, grab your coffee and let's get this started. And the first step here in our today's video, just head over to Google and type Google AI Studio. Jump to the first result, click over it. Then you'll be taken to this amazing website, the most recent AI tool from Google itself. It contains huge amounts of AI templates that blow your mind. In the first try, I just talked about some of them in a previous video. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. Anyway, regarding our today's video method, here you can go to the right panel where you can find different models. Click over this drop down menu and pick this one, Gemini 2 Flash Image Generation Experimental. Click over it. And you can find some examples of AI templates using this amazing model. So I just select this one, visual story, to generate a story with images. So click over this AI template. And at first glance here you can find an example how this amazing tool works. As you see, a beautiful kids story with relevant images for every single scene. Perfect, isn't it? So here we can try and use Google AI Studio in this amazing template to generate kids stories in different styles. And for sure, to get many ideas to create your kids and children stories, you can head over to ChatGPT and ask this amazing tool to give ideas of kids stories for parents. And for sure, you can find a plethora of different ideas like kids stories for magical adventure stories, friendship and kindness, funny, silly, life lessons, bedtime, and so on and so forth. So you can grab some of them and generate them in Google AI Studio. Like this one. Here I just inserted this prompt, this an idea to make our story, and just put at the end of this one the 3D cartoon animation style. For each scene generate an image. And for sure I just take the same sense from this prompt as you see, okay? And afterwards here you can find this amazing result of an amazing kids story with relevant images as you observe. So here you can repeat this process to generate many of these stories like 5, 6, 10 and so on. Now, how to make benefit of this amazing story from Google AI Studio. Here we can take the benefit of these stories by two different ways. The first way, here we can generate an audio track or audio story from this amazing one. Just by convert all these senses for every single scene to an MP3 track or a kids audio story. Thus, we can use this amazing website that is 11labs.io. It's an amazing website to convert a text to natural lifelike voiceover completely for free. So here you can sign up for free, and here we can select different AI voiceovers that are suitable to this kids stories. So for sure you can try some of them, and the best one you can select a female voice. Like this one, okay, Dorothy, and so on and so forth. And for sure, I just picked one of these beautiful AI voiceovers, like for Glinda. Then just you can insert here one by one every single scene in the order, scene number 1, scene number 2, and so on and so forth to complete the first story about this one Leo lion. So generate your speech, and it would be like this one. African savanna bathed in the warm glow of sunrise. A fluffy golden lion cub with big expressive eyes hides behind his mother's leg. This is Leo, and unlike the other. An amazing and charming voiceover for your kids' stories. Then, to complete your story, just you can download this full audio track or your audio version of your story. So you can repeat this process for every single story you got from Google AI Studio. And the second way to utilize this amazing story, you can actually create your coloring book for kids for every single story. So thus here you can download all these relevant images that you got here from Google Studio template. Thus, for example, I can go to this one and download this image, and to turn this image from colorful version to a white and black one, or to be a coloring page, here you can find this amazing website that is clarifyai.art. Here you can generate beautiful coloring page completely for free, either by converting your text or by converting your photo. So in our case today, just you can select this one, photo to coloring page. Okay, then you can upload your image, for example, and click over this button, generate, and just in few seconds here to make your coloring book as you see. Then you can download all these pages and combine them in one book using canva.com. And here quickly we can go to Canva and select these dimensions, okay, to make your coloring book for every single story. Okay, and gather all these coloring pages that you got from clarifyai.art to make your coloring book. And that way you can repeat this process to convert any story that you generated from Google AI Studio to different versions. The audio book and the other one is about the coloring book. Now, how we can make money online using these versions. You can upload these two versions in gumroad.com. So you can go to Gumroad where you can upload your products and sell them. And that way you can provide your audio book completely for free as a freebie for parents, teachers, and so on. Therefore, you can make another product of the coloring books that would be paid version. It could be $2 or $3 and so on. So here you can make your first product here on Gumroad that entitled the audio stories or kids audio stories. Okay, as in the selected digital product, give it name and set here this price $0 or for free. Then you gotta insert a title and description that you can get from ChatGPT or any other AI tool like DeepSeek, Grok, Claude, and so on. Therefore, you can make another product here on Gumroad on your store that would be paid at that time. Just you can give it name like the coloring page for kids, and here you set your price like $3 or $5 for example. And as for the title descriptions as well, you can get them from ChatGPT effortlessly. And upload your coloring pages that you get from canva.com as a PDF files. Okay, so if you make your freebie or your free version here on Gumroad, it consists of 5 or 10 audio tracks or audio stories. The same make in this second paid product. So I hope you got this idea. Okay, and now it's time to grab all these shareable links for the pause products, the free audio product and the paid coloring books product. Then you can open a new Word document like this one and make the same style or any style you like. Here you can direct a person or your audience to this to get the audio stories for free. And then you can click here, insert the link of the freebie or the free product. So you can click over this one and here you can go to this link option and insert here the link of your Gumroad product. That for sure it's completely for free. And likewise here for the coloring book of the stories, this is the paid one. Okay, so click here and insert the link of the coloring book product. And now in order to utilize this file, you can go to the file option and export as a PDF. Okay, so if someone gets this amazing file, he would find two different options. This is the free option, so he click over this one to get this audio stories completely for free. And for sure it would be enjoyable to get for his kids or for his students the coloring books of the same audio stories. So probably he would click over this option to get your paid product like a boss. Thus here you've got to host this PDF file to get a shareable link, and here you can find many ways. Either you can go to this amazing website that is file.io. You can upload your file for free and get a shareable link for it, or you can easily go to this Google Drive and upload your own PDF for kids stories like this one here. I just uploaded here in this limewire.com or file.io this PDF, and I just get this shareable link as you see. So now you can get more traffic to your PDF to promote this cutting page or this free P of audio kids stories. There are many ways to monetize this PDF and get more traffic. First one, you can promote this PDF through social media by creating social accounts on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and so on that talk about parenting and parents tips and tricks. You can grow your kids properly and so on by making many posts about tips and tricks, pieces of advice, and so on, with a call to action to direct people to your link in the bio where you can find and download this PDF of your products. Or you can make your YouTube channels about the parenting and tips and so on and insert the link of this PDF in the description box. Or writing articles talking the same niche and including this link to promote this PDF. And the best part, here you can provide this PDF as free P to get audio stories for your kids, your students, and so on. Okay, perfect. So now how we can make these articles to get more traffic to your PDF. Best part here, you can actually go to ChatGPT and get many ideas to create articles about this topic. Like, give me ideas to write articles for parents, and you can find a plethora of different amazing ideas. So you can pick some of them and write articles here on ChatGPT or SEOwriting.ai. Therefore, it's time to publish all these amazing articles in different platforms to get more traffic. Therefore, you can find down below in the description box in the first comment an amazing list of over 200 posting websites to publish your articles completely for free. For sure, including this amazing giant website that is medium.com. So here you can create your account here about parenting and so on and publish your articles one by one that include your free P or your announcement of this free audio stories for kids. So here it gives you opportunity to get more traffic or visitors to your PDF file where they can find these options to get your free P you are announcing and get this cutting book for a fee. The best part here, you can realize here if someone just use this option of free P, he would leave his email on Gumroad. So here you can utilize these emails and build your emailing list to make your newsletter campaigns by promoting digital products, free products, and so on. Either your paid product that is coloring books as well. In two different ways, making your emailing list and for sure to get money from selling this digital product that is coloring book version. So that way you can make money online from the most recent tool from Google. Thus, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.